Hi, this is a refresher of the SFS system for the 2018 school year. During this training and any other time, if you want more information, you can go to our employee section of the personnel evaluation. Also, feel free to hit pause on this training to read more on each slide as we go through. Everything is found in our eval handbook, also found on the Earlywood site. When we're looking at our goals and our professional development, we want to ensure that we're always focused on our mission and our vision here at Earlywood, as well as our strategic goals. We also have identified in our handbook our purpose for our goal setting process. SLOs at Earlywood include TLOs, CLOs, and PPOs. An SLO stands for Student Learning Outcome. All SLOs, regardless of type, are due to be reviewed this year on August 31st, 2018. So regardless of the type of SLO you're doing, you must have it reviewed by August 31st, 2018. Determining the type of SLO that you want to use will depend on the type of job that you're doing. You can see here we have a list of different positions here and what you should do for your goal. If you feel like you have a special case or situation, please contact your supervisor to determine what you need to do. The first type of goal we're going to talk about is our TLO, Targeted Learning Outcome. This is for staff who have a caseload assigned to them. You are going to establish a goal and then input data throughout the year to identify if your students are meeting the goal. Our due dates are September 21st for your baseline data, midpoint data December 21st, and endpoint is May 3rd. Note, if you are working with a student who moves or exits prior to the midpoint data, please let your supervisor know and we will replace them with a different student. At any point though, if you have a student moves, please let us know. You'll document your TLO within the SFS system, completing the TLO form located on your main screen. You're going to select TLO, enter in your focus of your goals, what standard it's aligned to, the assessments you're going to be using, and this is where you enter in your student information. Next goal that we're going to review is your CLO, which is a caseload learning objective. Staff who have a caseload are required to have one CLO. You'll see here that you have one due date, May 3rd, because you will not enter in information throughout. You will only enter information in May after your supervisor has selected 15 IEP goals at random, inputted the information on your SFS system. You will then say if the student has met their goal or not, or is making positive growth towards their goal. The last goal we have here is our PPO, Professional Practice Outcome. These are goals that are linked to our strategic plan and have 10 outcomes that determine how you will meet that goal. The final goal needs to be completed and finalized with all of your outcomes met by May 3rd, 2019. Here's an example of a goal that could be used. You can see there is one overarching goal with the 10 outcomes that have been identified of how that goal will be met. PPOs are inputted onto SFS using the PPO form. Enter in your overarching goal and how you will meet each outcome. Throughout the year, remember to update this as you complete tasks. Enter in your evidence of how you've met that task and let us know. PPOs are evaluated on the same scale as our other SLOs. 90% is highly effective, and so forth. Our overall evaluation outcomes will be assessed based on your evaluation rubric as defined in the Personnel Evaluation Handbook. After you've completed your long observation and your mid-year meeting, you will want to start reviewing your rubric to identify which areas will need to have artifacts. At that point, you will go to create a new artifact, title it, put in a summary of the thing that you've done that showed evidence of meeting your rubric. You will indicate the sections of your rubric that you are linking to that artifact. Remember, you can do multiple lines in one artifact, and if you'd like to attach a document to the artifact, you can. As we get closer to that time, if you need any help, please reach out to us and let us know, and we will assist you with the process. Remember, if you are still working on an artifact, you want to save as draft, and when you are ready to send it to us for review, you will click Save and Send, and it will show when it has been converted by your supervisor. And that is it. Please let us know how we can help you throughout this process. Come to us early if you have a problem or concern, and we will help you resolve it. Thank you.